One of the ones we hear quite often is that polyurethane foam is that new material, new insulation. I certainly don't want anything new and untested in my building. So this polyurethane foam sounds like a new thing. Actually, it's not. It was invented in 1937 by Otto Bayer when he was working for FG Farben, which later became BASF, in Germany. During the war, they used polyurethane foam to stiffen the wings of the German fighter aircraft, make them more durable. They also applied it to some clothing and found that it was impermeable to gas, so they started using it on mustard gas resistant clothing. Later in the 50s, 1953-54, it was introduced to North America as an insulation material used primarily for tanks, storage vessels, some roofing, some wall applications way back then. And as time progressed into the 60s now, Fred Gusmer and Fred Werner invented the first Gusmer FF, Fred and Fred, in fact. They were the ones that invented it, so they put their names on it. Many of us can recall the old FF machines and the FF 1600. Back in the 60s this was. So foam has been around for quite a while. It's not a new product. To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.